Hello my beautiful badgers, MessyCoder back again with another asset store review. No, we haven't gone back in time. It is not Ultimate Survival. This is the Survival Template Pro from Polymind Games. It's actually Lucy and Pavel, one of the brothers from Winterbite, the original artist who's now become a master coder himself. So we'll be checking out this asset in the review. But not only are we talking about this beautiful Survival Template Pro from Polymind Games, but we're also talking about the last days of the MessyCoder Invasion Game Jam. You've got until Sunday the 20th to submit your games for the Game Jam, where you could be winning in the pool of over $3,000 worth of prizes thanks to Turn the Game On, Amplify Creations, Polygon Maker, Connect and Stagart Creations. And also thanks to Polygon Maker, everyone who joined the Game Jam got this free gift, this alien UFO from Polygon Maker. Now we need to come up with a better description of what UFO stands for, because he's not an unidentified flying object. He is a ugly furry oboe? I don't know. You come up with what you think UFO stands for this alien. And tonight on all the Twitch.tv/TheMessyCoder, I'm joined on my virtual sofa by the awesome, the fantastic, the simply sublime Code Monkey themselves. At 10 o'clock UK time, 9 o'clock in the future over in the morning in Australia, 2 o'clock Pacific and 5 o'clock Eastern. So get your questions ready and join us as we monkey about with Code Monkey. But for now, we're going to jump inside Unity and play about with Survival Template Pro and see just how far we can throw our spear. First things first, I want to say that in the documentation it says that in input handling you can use new or both. When I used both, I got strange errors. When I use new, I don't get any errors. So I would say stick with new, maybe. Now let's go big. Let's make that nice and big. There we go. And let me put my headphones on so you can hear if there's any noise. Oh, we've got some fire crackling going on. Nice, I like that. Can't click on settings. No co-op at the moment. Let's go click single player. So he's got various different scenes. Let's go first for the one he recommends. Showcase is recommended. All I love is that it's not flippable. It's a non-flippable asset. You can't just put these demo scenes in and away you go. So here we go, we pop in. First things first, it looks very beautiful. It's very pretty, it's very polished, and as you expect from Lucy and Pavel, the artwork is very, very nice. And he has good wood, very good wood. We can jump, we can run, we've got a stamina down the bottom, we've even got this compass. Look at that, as it moves around, that is beautiful. Can pick up our torch, pick up, look at this, how smooth those are as well. If I do Q, we've got this little wheel. I'm not a fan of the wheels, but everyone else seems to be. That's nice, I like that. We've got a spear, got our bow to pick up things, we've got a knife, we'll hold down the E to pick up some things. So some of them you just push E, and some of them you have to hold down. Is the holding down like equip as well? So if I just do this, bing, 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 picking up these sticks. And what can we craft? What can we craft? B for grafting. So we can craft a campfire with 5 sticks and 5 stones. A torch with 3 sticks and 2 cogs, which we don't have any cogs. I don't know what the cog is. Crafting. What's a cog? Alright, oh no, we don't have any cogs. Storage. We can build a storagey thing. Workstation. We need 3 cogs, 3 feathers? What is that? I don't know what that is. A shelter. We can build a sleeping bag, and then we can have these buildings. Let's build ourselves a wooden spear. Now I've got 2 wooden spears. B to close that. Tab for my inventory. I've got a few. Here's a holster. See, our holster is an inventory in itself. So I can drag out of my holster there. You see now. Actually frees up your weight there. That's interesting. That's interesting, isn't it? It's clever it's done that. We can leather. Very pretty, very pretty. We got food. We can eat the food by going eat. We don't have an animation for eating, which is a shame. I'd love that. We've got raw meat. Let's pick up some raw meat. We've got some pills. Can I take the pills? Heal. I'm healing with my pills. Okay. We've got cloves. Now obviously people are going to be asking me to do an UMA video. Aren't you? Well, we do that with secret anorak. We can do that with secret anorak. Let's put our clothes on. T-shirt. I thought you said wet t-shirt. It's white t-shirt. Some pants. And some boots. Let's drop these ones. Can we destroy? Dismantle. We can. Right click dismantle them. We got maybe some. There we go. We got cloth for that. And as you see, I'm dropping them. We're losing weight. So eat our berries. Yum yum yum. Berries are tasty. We can also throw our spear. Boing. I love that. Let's try building something. Okay, workstations, building. So we can do a custom building. Now for each thing that we're putting down, it's taking up like a log. Alright, we're putting 4 of those down. Then let's put a ramp. Why can't I put... Okay, why is it not letting me put a ramp here? Why is that? That's odd. Let's put a door and a windowy thing there, and a windowy thing here. Let's put. Oh, did it let me put a ramp? It's letting me put a ramp there. Oh, now it's letting me put a ramp because the door's there. Oh, okay. Well, why is it letting me put a ramp there? That's weird. Now it's letting me put ramps down because there's a maybe because there's a door. It's letting me put ramps down? What do you reckon? Okay, let's put our laddery staircase there. And hopefully we're going to have enough wood to do this. Hopefully we'll have enough wood to do this. This is, I'm going to say, honestly, out of everything in this pack so far, this is the weakest. And there are bugs to this. There are bugs. Like if I want to now just take away one of these aspects. I want to take away that wall. I can't seem to have the ability just to remove one part. Yeah, it's making me take everything down. Which is a bit frustrating, I have to say. Let's put a floor piece up at the top here. Okay, I think that's good enough, right? So let's go and pick up some logs. It'll be interesting to know what's going to happen with our spear. Oh, look at that! I was going to see it. Buying. Oh my word. Right, we just need 2 more. There we go, it's built. I'm loving these little details on the woods as you get in. I mean, it's very pretty, very nicely done. I like the textures. As I say, there is a bug. It'd be remiss of me not to show it to you. If I go now to build and I want to extend this, so let's put some more floors down over here. As soon as we do that, we get kicked with an error. I mean, it puts it down, but we can't actually do anything with it. So yeah, he is working on refactoring and changing this building system, fixing the bugs, making it better. As I say, it is the weakest thing out of everything in the pack that I've seen so far. And saying that, you know, that's impressive in itself. You can just go and build an entire log cabin if you want. I remember in Ultimate Survival I had to show you how to cheat to that, which was effectively you make the whole building off in the game, and then you're saving the prefab as a house. Let's chop down this tree. Oh, do you know what else I love is this? Look at this, right? I'm going to show you these stones. I love these stones. Look at that animation. Picking them up. Look at that. That is beautiful. I really love that. Now this tree is supposed to have a ring around it. I saw in the video it had a ring around it. I asked Lucy and he said that actually it is there, but you just can't see it. So we have to do a little bit of tweaky. If I pause there a second, and we go and click on our tree. So here's the tree, and here's the visuals of our tree. Now if we go on conifer, you see here it's got this offset and a radius. See, that's where you're going to be hitting. So we're going to be hitting this. The visual of that, it says it's the UI tree health indicator. So if we go UI tree health indicator, here it is. There it is, right down the bottom. Where is that living? That tree health indicator is living in UI player clone. It's an interesting way of doing it. I'll have to have a look at your script of how he's doing this. If I move this up to about there, is that going to drop back down again? Alpha lerp speed, show distance, show angle. Okay. Let's put it to the same height that the conifer is at. Alright, so the visual for the conifer is there. Let's put that tree indicator down to there, but that one is. Okay. Oh, it's dropped it back down again. That's interesting. So it's actually forcing its position. It's forcing its position there. Where is it hooking into? Visuals. And has that got a... So if we just go here and raise it up on the offset, we will be able to see it. Like now, if we raise it up there, we will be able to see it, but it's not going to be... I say that. I say we will be able to see it, but we can't. What did I do? So if we go and increase the radius of it, bring that down again to about 1. There it is. Why is it not telling me the direction? Oh, we'll have to send that to Lucian to... I love that, look, hitting that. Oh no, it is. Look, you can see it going down. You can see it going down. Okay, is it gonna... Which direction is it gonna fall? It's gonna fall that way. Oops, sorry. I'm glad it didn't fall on our house. That was nice. That indicator needs a bit of fixing, but generally I think it's very nice. We didn't put a door on our blinking house. Oh, we didn't put a door on our house. That's annoying. That was foolish of me. Didn't put a door on there. Oh, never mind. We've also got the power of weapons. So I'm not going to shoot my house. My house is wonderful. Although I regret putting the house right there. Oh, we can't get through there because it's got colliders. I bet that's a big box collider rather than lots of little small box colliders. What's it hitting against? Is it actually... Okay. Reloading. Good. There's blood coming out of it. That's messed up. There should be blood coming out of the dummy. Let's throw our spear. How can I get my... Oh, I missed him completely. Oh, wow. It's Kingdom Come Deliverance all over again, isn't it? I don't like the fact that the arrow, but the right mouse button should bring it back closer. So you can see that it curves down. As I go backwards. Now raising higher. There we go. See that arch on that last one? How did I do? I didn't do too bad. I didn't do too bad at all. Bunny rabbits, be warned. You've met your match. Oh yeah. And this has gone straight into this stone. That was a strong throw. I'm stronger than I thought. Let's pop into the next demo scene. We've got nothing to repair in our workbench. Oh no, you know what? We haven't played about with all of these things yet. Let's open up the crate. Let's put some things in the crate because we're carrying too many things. Okay. How do we close the storage crate? E? Escape? Okay. Campfire. Let's start the campfire. I don't want to set fire to the rope. Let's set fire to the stick. Lovely. And let's cook our... Okay, I can't right click to split it. Okay, there's that. If I do control shift drag, I do okay. Control drag is to split it. Did I don't remember adding functionality in our survival for managing it a bit better. But okay, is it going to cook? It is cooked. It's cooked. Brilliant. Wonderful. It's cooked my meat. Let's eat my cooked meat. Mmm. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Oh, it's out of juice. Escape. I love that. Look at that. It's on, off. Oh, it's very beautiful. Very beautiful. Carry some things. Stacking them on. That is really very professional. It's very polished. This is inspiring me to get back into doing things. It really is. It's inspiring me to get back making. Like we did when it was the good days with Ultimate Survival. When we used to have fun. Animals, work in progress. Okay. You haven't got like a shed load of sprites, but you get enough sprites to get you going. This isn't a sprite pack. There's a lot of sprite packs out there. You got some effects as well. Lots of different effects to help you get started. And we've got buttons to push. Add a random item into your inventory. This one, spawn random items. Teleport to the previous. To receive some damage. Let's do that. Damage. Time progression. Okay, got a day-night sequence. Okay. Let's go to the menu. And try another one. I mean, they're all pretty much the muchness. They're just different demo scenes, to be honest. Different layouts. So, as I say, it feels very polished. The artwork that you get in this pack is beautiful nonetheless. You can buy his artwork separately as well on the Unity Asset Store. I did not let me eat that. Now, people were asking me before with Ultimate Survival about the workbench. The problem with the workbench in Ultimate Survival was when you were spawning the items that you create with the workbench. So they were all kind of like sharing the hopper, as it were. Now, where's the workbench in this demo scene? We'll find the workbench. Where are you, workbench? Workbench in this just seems to be about repairing rather than crafting. It'll be interesting to see how we can set it up so that you can craft things with its workbench. That's right, here's its workbench. So if I go to maybe I need to go to Q. Actually, holster. Can I repair my... Yeah, look, I can repair that with a stick and a cloth. There you go, I've repaired my torch. That's pretty much the functionality of the workbench at the moment. So we could, it'd be nice to extend that so that it can be used for... Only certain things can be crafted from a workbench. Talking about things that are crafting, so let's just go and do the decent thing and show all of the different demo scenes. To be honest, they are just examples of different different scenes with things that you can craft in. So all the functionality is the same. But it's just very pretty. It's just showing off how good his art is, really, at the end of the day, isn't he? Just showing off just how good he is. So let's... I like the little moustache. Boing! It's beautiful. And I love a gun. feel bad for this dummy because he's obviously got. And I think it's somebody who's tied up to look like a dummy because there's all that blood coming out of it. Maybe he's got a pig inside of it. Just don't know. Just don't know. And the last one, the prototype. I've no idea what the point of the prototype one is, other than the fact that it's got a big red button that you click and it's nighttime. So we go over here, pick up our torch. What's this? It's a tree. If we go running up the steps in this strange prototype world, let's run. There's no swimming. There's no swimming in here. Whee! Oh, took damage though. Let's crouch. You can crouch. There's jumping. Because I've got fresh meat saying, can you add swimming in? Do you remember we added swimming in Ultimate Survival? Just copy that tutorial. Teleports us. Oh, that's cheeky. My health is good. Look at my health. Do you know what? Should we kill ourselves and see what happens? Let's kill ourselves and see what happens. Oh, it's got the... Oh, wow. Okay. Look at this. Oh, that angle we can't get up. This angle we can. Maybe can I slide down? Yeah, look, slidey. Okay, nice. That's what this. What can we run up? Oh, nearly. That's cool. That's what this prototype scene's about, showing you the effects of different gravity. Lots of trees. Can't chop a tree down with a torch. I wonder if these trees are working. Where's an axe? You should you should at least spawn an axe in the area with all the trees in, rather than make me go back and look for an axe. To be fair, can I craft an axe? Let's try and craft an axe. Okay, B. Crafting. No, I can't craft an axe. I can craft a fire though. I can't craft an axe. That's a shame. It's not in the book. Obviously you can craft an axe if you put it yourself, but in this demo scene there's no axe crafting. Oh, there's the axe though, right there. There's the axe, right there. Now let's see. Was it just... Okay, look there. Come on, choppy choppy. Oh! Let's compile those shaders, baby. What do I think of this? What do I think of this asset? Well, it's inspired me to start doing things again. Okay, which is obviously a good thing. Can't see this. Can't see the ring on that one. Can't see the ring on that one. Is the ring gonna? Which tree is the ring gonna appear on? Or we can. Can we chop down? No, we can't chop it down into more things. That's a shame. So yeah, it's inspired me to do more creating things. So if we go over here to the menu, item management, this is very much like Ultimate Survival. Now we can say how we craft things, has a blueprint, what's in the blueprint, played about, you know, it's got, I put snacks, boots and the scope. If we go over to the properties, you can see here that it's very much like, you know, as the other one was, where you can say what type of item, if it's a float, is it integer, is it a boolean, an item ID, that's a new one, like that. So very easy to use. Can enjoy playing about. Surface management, lots of different surfaces, and the sound. I don't like the fact that, you know, we've got these textures, missing texture. I like it to be with materials, but you know, it is what it is. Will I play about with that one? I don't know how you add more surfaces, so we'll have to investigate that. See how do we add more surfaces. Building management. So we've got the categories, workstation, storage, shelter, custom building, placeables, all the different custom building parts that we've got. I would leverage something like Easy Build, but this is nice that it's got all of these functionality in here as well. I can't wait to see what Lucian's going to be doing. Do put comments down below if you want to try and get Lucian onto the live stream so we can interview him and talk to him about his experiences making the Survival Template Pro for Unity. And do not forget, talking about live dev interviews, this very evening, Saturday the 19th of February, I'll be joined by the amazing Code Monkey. We'll be monkeying about on my live Twitch stream or the w.twitch.tv/themessycoder from 10 PM UK time, 9 o'clock in the morning in Australia, 2 o'clock Pacific, 5 o'clock Eastern, and talking about things that you would need to set your timer, your alarm clock for. Don't forget, you've only got 1 day, 9 hours, 12 minutes and 11 seconds, as of the time I'm recording this, to submit your games for the MessyCoder Invasion Game Jam. We've got 104 people joined. Since I've actually been making this video, we've got another person sign up. You're all amazing, beautiful badgers. If you do like these videos and want to see more, click on that big juicy red subscribe button down below. Tell all your friends, your neighbours. If you do like it, click it. Till next time. If you want to see more of my crazy videos, click on the left side of your screen now. And down below, there's that big juicy subscribe button. And right next to it is the magic bell that if you click it, it will tell you if I've got a new video coming out. Till next time.